Are you a YouTuber that is ready to start working with brands but don't necessarily know where to start or how you can even do so? If that's the case, then you're in luck, because today's video, I'm going to be sharing how you can work with brands on YouTube. I'm going to go through a few different examples and share with you ways that we have worked with brands on YouTube as well to give you a really good starting place. If you are new to our channel, welcome. My name is Nina Zeta. I'm the co-founder of Sidewalker Daily, and we work with brands on their influencer marketing campaigns. So yes, we pay YouTubers like you to work with our clients. And I love running YouTube campaigns because I think they're super successful. I love everything YouTube. I'm on YouTube, so I can't stress enough how excited I am about this video and working with brands. And a lot of my clients are now finally understanding how important it is to work with the YouTube, because video is just such a great way to connect with your audience. I also work with YouTubers and influencers and creators on developing their business strategy with my one-on-one coaching and my group coachings and all my courses and stuff. So I'm like in a really good place because I'm kind of in the middle. I see both sides to the coin. So if you guys are new, make sure to hit subscribe, hit that little bell so that you can be notified when we release a new video every week on all things influencer marketing. Now, YouTube, I'm gonna go over a few ways that you can start working with brands, and they're in no order of importance. They're just the different ways. So the first way you can work with brands is, as I'm sure many of you guys know, is through affiliates. If you go into our description, you're gonna see all the brands that we have affiliate partnerships with. Some of them can be 30% commissions. Some of them are lower commissions, right? But what's really cool is that anytime anyone shops or clicks a link with any of our affiliates or buys something that we recommend, whether it be from our Amazon shop or signs up to an email subscriber that we recommend, we get a commission off that. So this is obviously the easiest way to start and to set it up. There are so many different affiliate programs that you can sign up for. There's Reward Style, there's Amazon Associates, CJ Commission Junction, CJ Affiliate, there's Skim Links. So again, there's so many you guys can look into, and if you're already promoting things and you're already using the things, you may as well have an affiliate to it. Like our Amazon shop is literally like shows the equipment we use for our YouTube, or like, you know, what are some of the products that we love for our business. Now, of course, you want to make sure that the affiliates that you guys promote make sense with your brand. Like I'm not going to put, you know, I don't know, house cleaning detergent on my Amazon shop, because that has nothing to do with what I share. I share information on marketing, right? So you want to make sure you're still specific in your niche in terms of your affiliates, and those that you choose. The ones that we have chosen, you know, and that we're a part of, are products and services that we use every day, like Canva, like ConvertKit, you know, so we're happy to include those affiliates in our description. Now, the second way that you can work with a brand is more from like a brand integration. So these are what we call integrated videos. So an integrated video, to make it like really easy to explain, is when you basically mention a brand and they pay for this mention. It's a sponsored mention within the video. It's usually between 30 seconds to 2 minutes, and it's of course at the beginning of the video. So you can see an example of an integrated video that we did with a partner, Koji, here. This is a brand that we are so excited to partner with because we believe in them fully and are so excited about what they offer. They're an amazing link in bio tool. So we've done with them an integrated video, which you can watch as an example. We mentioned them in the very beginning. Now, integrated videos are really great when you're planning on doing a video anyway, and it's just like an authentic, easy integration. They're just kind of like part of the storyline. So a lot of times YouTubers will have, you know, their scripts or maybe bullet points of what they want to talk about, or the sponsored mention is just right there at the first bullet point. So in the Koji video, we talk about different ways to make money on social media, and we mentioned Koji as our first spot. If you are a YouTuber and you're looking to work with brands, you can tell brands like, hey, this is the videos that I have coming up. You know, they're coming down the pipeline. These are the titles of the videos, and I want to integrate you into it. And this is a really seamless, natural way to work with a brand because you were going to make the video anyways. So one thing I did want to know is when you are charging a brand, obviously what you charge for an integrated video is going to be very different than what you charge for a dedicated video. Now, as I'm sure you can assume, a dedicated video is when the entire video is dedicated to the brand. It's not just a mention, it's the whole thing. So obviously this type of video is going to cost more, and you're going to charge more for it because it's literally only about the brand. You can see an example of our dedicated video with Koji here. And this is when we go really in depth. We show all the things about this new link in bio tool, how to monetize. I share my screen. And because I love the brand naturally and authentically, and it's like an easy thing for me to talk about, I'm happy to go above and beyond for my brand partners that makes sense for my channel. You see, our channel, we talk about influencer marketing, and our audience is, very heavily creator, influencer, and brand. And this new link in bio tool, I think, is going to help everyone monetize. Look, I'm even mentioning the brand in this video. That's how much I like them. So I think it's important for you guys to be able to look at these two videos, both my integrated and my dedicated, to get an example of how you can work with brands. Now, if you have a dedicated video that you want to work with a brand, here's the thing. This is obviously going to take longer. It's going to be fully about the brand, and you want to make sure it makes sense within your videos. So you have like videos on YouTube, and the goal, as you guys probably already know, on YouTube is having people binge your content. You want, at least for me, I want someone to be able to watch this video and 15 others because they all kind of make sense together. I talk about Instagram tools. I talk about tools for creators. I talk about resources. So it blends in. This dedicated video is not like an eyesore. It doesn't stick out. The same thing for you guys. If you're working with a brand on a sponsored dedicated video, this will be a little bit different, right? Because you don't want it to be like super random and not affiliated with your niche at all. That would be a no-go. So this obviously is applied for affiliate, integrated, and dedicated. Now, another way that you as a YouTuber can work with a brand, and this is really like the holy grail, is a channel sponsorship. So channel sponsorships are really when the brand is paying you more like on a monthly retainer basis. Maybe it's a 3-month partnership or 6-month. Usually they're like the category partner. It's exclusive. You're not gonna have competitor channel sponsors, right? And a channel sponsorship is really when you're including a brand into multiple integrations throughout the month. So it really depends on how you want that to look. It could be, okay, you're going to be 3 integrated videos a month or 4 integrated videos a month. Or within my videos, I'm going to make sure to shout you out at least in the beginning and at the end. See, these are semantics and details that you can work out, but as a YouTuber, this is where you want to go in your business, because having that integrated mention is great, but really where you want to end up is channel sponsor, because it's a steady stream of income monthly, and you can still have other integrated videos, just like, obviously nothing that would be a competitor to your channel sponsor. Now, I hope this video got my YouTubers excited about working with brands. If you are a YouTuber and you want to work with brands and you're still not sure how to start, I have a link below to my free Working with Brands training. It's a 3-part training. It's a video training. It comes straight to your inbox, and I'm going to dive into different ways to help you pitch so that you can land those brand deals that you so deserve and that you should be getting. It's all about pitching, remember. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know in the comments. I love hearing from you. I believe this is my first YouTube style video. So if you want me to do more videos on YouTube topics, let me know as well. I'll keep that in mind, and I will see you guys in the next video.